Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to pray rosary in Hallow App. So as we know that Hallow App is used for like daily prayer and meditations, sleep stories and calm music, rosary and chanting, Bible study and homilies, and challenges and community. It focuses on Christian spirituality and mindfulness. And there are the few steps to pray the rosary in Hallow App. To know those steps, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. First thing, you need to make sure that you downloaded your app Hallow. If you do not have it, download the Hallow app from the App Store or Play Store and sign in or create an account. So after that, you need to open and you need to go to the rosary section, or you can also search the option rosary and this. And after searching the option rosary, there are the various rosaries found in these pages, and every individuals have their own number of sessions, like daily sessions of like 15 to 29 minutes, and you need to just watch each session every day. And this is how you can pray. And you can also select the any mystery, and rosary is divided into 4 set of mysteries. Like there are 4 set of mysteries, like one is joyful, and another is sorrowful, another is glorious and luminous. And from all of this above, it's joyful is used for like Sunday and Saturday, Mondays and Saturday, and sorrowful is listened at Tuesday and Friday, glorious is listened for Wednesday and Sundays, luminous is for Thursday. So each of these mystery have their own days to listen. So you need to make sure in which day you are listening, and according to that you need to select these rosaries, which are divided into 4 categories. Now you can follow along the audio guide as it leads you through the prayers like Sign of the Cross, Apostles' Creed, Our Father, Hail Mary 3 times, Glory be, and many more. And you can also customize your experience, choose from the different voice guides, some lead by religious figures, adjust the background music. So this is how you can just customize your experience too. And you can also adjust the background music or silent settings for focus, anything you want, what you prefer. You can just customize yourself accordingly. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.